and go to the official Claude website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Downloads or Updates section, usually located in the top navigation bar or under your profile icon. Click on it to check for the latest version available. If an update is available, you'll see a button labeled Download or Update Now. Click on this button to start downloading the updated Claude Code installer. While it downloads, make sure you save any important work and close the current version of Claude Code if it's running. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The installer will usually guide you through a series of steps, such as agreeing to the terms of service and choosing the installation path. Make sure you select the same directory where your current version is installed to ensure a seamless update. After the installation is complete, you can open the new version of Claude Code. You might notice some new features or interface changes, so take a moment to explore what's new. If you encounter any issues during the update, you can always check the support section on the Claude website for troubleshooting tips or reach out to their customer support. Keeping your Claude Code updated ensures you have all the latest features and security patches, so it's a good habit to regularly check for updates. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.